Hello students, welcome once again to our channel Score High to Soar High. In this channel, we have been uploading materials and notes related to ICSE board syllabus for class 6. In this video series, we have been uploading geography lessons for class 6. Actually, this is the questions from chapter 1, representation of geographical features. This is the part 4 of this video series. So come on, let us see the questions. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Tick the correct answers. Question number 1. Which of these is not the language of a map? A. Signs and symbols. B. Sketch. C. Scale. D. Title. Of all these options, signs and symbols, scale and the title are the languages of a map except the term sketch. So answer is sketch. Question number 2. Which of these maps is also called topo sheet? A. Wall map. B. Cadastral map. C. Political map. D. Topographical map. In these, the topographical map is also called as topo sheet. So answer is topographical map. Next question. Third one. Which of these features is not shown using conventional signs and symbols? A. Dam. B. Bridge. C. Direction. D. Fort. Dam, bridge and fort are shown in a map using conventional signs and symbols except direction. So the answer is direction. Question number 4. An accurate map of a house is called a dash. A. Sketch. B. Plan. C. Globe. D. Diagram. An accurate map of a house is called a plan. So a house is made or constructed by using a plan. So answer is plan. Fifth question. The large bends of a river are called dash. A. Meanders. B. Deltas. C. River basins. D. Tributaries. During its course, a river forms large bends. These bends are called meanders. So answer is meanders. Then, next exercise C. Write true or false. Question number 1. The distance between any two places on a map is called the ground distance. Actually, this is wrong. The distance between any two places on a map is called as map distance. So this statement is false. Second one. The linear scale is represented using a straight line. This statement is true. Third one. Bearing is measured in clockwise direction. It is also true. Fourth one, a plan is drawn on a small scale. No, a plan is drawn on a large scale. So this statement is false. Fifth one, the upfolds are called synclines. We have already learned that in a fold, the upfolds are called as anticlines and the downfolds are called as synclines. But here it is given the upfolds are called synclines. So the statement is false. Next one. Next exercise D. Give reasons for the following. Number 1. RF has universal application in map making. What is meant by the term RF? RF is nothing but, in other words, RF stands for representative fraction. Representative fraction method is another name for numerical fraction method. So this representative fraction method has universal application in map making. So what is the reason? Reason is no particular unit of measurement is used with RF. In this method, there is no particular unit of measurement is used. So anyone can use it without any particular units. So it has got universal application in map making. Question number 2. Distributaries are formed when a river reaches near its mouth. So, distributaries are formed only when a river reaches near its mouth. What is meant by mouth of a river? The place where a river meets the sea or a ocean is known as mouth. So, distributaries are formed only near its mouth. The reason is when a river reaches near its mouth, it carries a large volume of water and sediment. During its course, we all know that a river carries a large volume of water and sediment. The excess of sediment is deposited as sandbars. The sandbars divide the main river channel into several channels called distributaries. So due to the formation of these sandbars, the main river gets split into different channels and these channels are known as distributaries. So with this video has come to an end. Let us meet in the next video with another set of questions.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.